Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra and today I'm gonna show the recipe for mirchi and lemon pickle. Okay, actually in the hostels as I survived, like food will be not nice so many times. Most of the times it will be not nice. So this pickle, if you will prepare, then if you will get rice also, then you can eat or you can survive. This is easy, so you can also prepare it. No need of using kettle or anything. Just wash some green chilies, then in a clean cloth just wipe the water like this. After that, take them to a plate. You can prepare in two ways the pickle, and like if you want to cut, then you can cut like this, small pieces, or like this, and other way is also there, that is like this also you can cut. See, like this also in the middle you can cut, and also you can prepare. First cut them all as per your choice. If you will cut like this, means this will be prepared very soon, like within 2 or 3 days, and this will take some time, but this all are same only. Okay, you can cut the mirchi as per your choice. After adding the green chilies to the bottle, you can we have to add the lemon juice. That you can do by using lemon squeezer or by hand also. Actually we can prepare this as it is, means like the round lemon only. Lemon pickle also will used to prepare in home, but there is no like rock or something, some strong, so that we can rub that and we can make it little smooth, the surface of the lemon. So we will add the lemon juice directly. Okay, so add it. I'm using 10 to 15 lemons. Add them to that mirchi or green chilies. After adding the lemon juice to it, add salt as per your taste. Now just close it. Shake. As we have added salt, so it will, this pickle will also, means green chilies will also release some water, so it will be watery by tomorrow morning. And if you want to put under the sun, then you can put it for the whole day. Don't open the lid. By closing the lid only, keep it, and after 2 to 3 days you can taste it, guys. And thanks for commenting in my channel, and thanks for the love and the support for you. And okay, thank you. And if any mistake I'm doing, like poor in English or something else, then sorry guys. Okay, if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.